You've heard of the try not to laugh challenge, but have you heard of the try not to sneeze challenge? Play along with me. It's going to be significantly easier for you. I've got various items on the table in front of me, and we're going to try and see if I can make myself sneeze. Which is confusing because it's called try not. I guess I'll try not to sneeze. I don't know how to. I feel like that's almost working in opposite to. I'm just going to do it. First one I found was to use a tissue. This one seems a little too easy. I'm going to get this. I'm just going to put it up my nose and see. Oh, yuck. Oh, that doesn't feel nice at all. Wow. This is such a... It's tickling. Okay, let's see if we can... Ah. This feels horrible. Okay, we can... This feels so unnatural. It's really weird. Okay, I'm not sneezed out of this nose yet. Ugh. I suppose that makes sense. Number one, the tissue that has not formed a sneeze. I'm winning at trying not to see. How many are there? I don't know. One to me. I read that plucking your eyebrows might make me sneeze. So I've got to tweeze it. I'm gonna go get a mirror actually. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna try and tweeze one of my eyebrows and see if it makes me sneeze. I don't think I got it. Ah! Ugh. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this now. I guess I'm just gonna have to hoover after this. Let's go for one of these top ones here. Let's see if that's gonna hurt. No, I'm not feeling the sneeze a little bit. The eyebrows haven't done it for me. But let's try to see what the nose hair does. Let's get real in the region. See if we can try and set something off. Ah! Oh! Oh, this is not... Ah! Come on. Ah! Ah! It just hurts. It just hurts. I'm winning. Oh, it doesn't feel like I'm winning. It feels like I'm losing. A strong fragrance is supposed to tickle the senses and make you sneeze. I found a nice perfume. Let's see if we can't turn this into a sneeze. I can taste it. Ah! Oh, it's in my teeth. How is it in my teeth? Four points. 4. I'm not sneezing at all. I read that dark chocolate for some reason makes you sneeze. Now, I don't know how this makes you sneeze. I don't know whether I'm meant to eat it, smell it, put it in my nose, so I'm gonna do all of the above. Let's have a nice smell. Ah, 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 ah! I don't feel it. If you've seen any form of film before, you'll know that feathers is the classic thing of making someone sneeze. I bought a whole packet. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna tickle the underside of my nose. Oh, yuck. Oh, feathers in my face, dude. They've all gone in my nose. I don't think it's not doing it. The feather's not, how's it in my ear? Pepper. And also when I was Googling it, it said other spices. So this is pepper and Cajun, I think. It's pepper and something with a C. Cumin, it's something. Dude, I can see the, okay. I don't want to insert this into my nose because that's gonna probably hurt, but I want to get a good whiff. So I'm just gonna get up in there. Just gonna get up in there. Oh, it smells like curry. This one is not the one. I haven't sneezed yet though, so we're going on to the last sneeze technique. okay? The sunlight. 1 in 3 people are sensitive to the sunlight when it comes to sneezing. It gives them the sneeze. I'm one of these people. If I need to sneeze, I can just look at the sun and I'll usually go. Alternatively, if the sun's there creeping on me, sometimes I get a little bit of a lingering sneeze. So this one might be the hardest one. Because so far, we've done a pretty good job. I think of not sneezing. We're succeeding the challenge. Try not to sneeze the challenge. I don't feel good. Okay, let's go find the sun. I can't see anything. The sun hasn't done it for me. I think it's safe to say that I succeeded the try not to sneeze challenge. So, have some of that. If you like this video, why don't you press subscribe up here. Also subscribe to Critical Wit down here. Also, there's a little video over here that you might enjoy. I don't know what it is, but it's best for you, so it's probably pretty good. Oh man, I've got an iron nose. And that doesn't mean I can just smell good. That means I can't sneeze, even if I wanted to.